Hi, today we will look at TCPdump and live PCAP, which are part of one package, and we will TCPdump, and we will install this on a Ubuntu Linux server. TCPdump is a powerful command line packet analyzer, and the live PCAP is the actual library that captures network traffic. TCPdump.org is the website you would go to for downloading and getting information, all type of tutorials, latest releases, etc., and so forth. So it's a very valuable resource, has man pages for command syntax, etc. Here you can find a tutorial, and it goes into a lot of the details of the TCP protocol and how TCPdump can be used. So we want to download it so we can go to the latest release, and basically it can be a live PCAP file that you would, and then you could download this TCPdump tar files. Another way is to actually log onto the server, and that's what we've done onto the Ubuntu server. And then we can actually do a sudo. You have to have sudo privileges, and then you do an apt get. I think it is install, and then TCPdump. So it calculates that, and then you hit yes, and then TCPdump will be installed. So now you can just type TCPdump, and you'll see that you have to have sudo privileges. So TCPdump -i space any, and then you can see the actual packets that are being captured. You can write this to a file, which typically I recommend. So you just put it in the temp, and then put test.pcap as the extension. And then now you're capturing the same data into this file. Okay. We'll go further into how to use TCPdump and analyze packets. But for right now, with filters, right now, this is all you do to install it on the Ubuntu system. Thank you, and I hope this was helpful.